Guys, so it's Ghostly Rich. What we're going to do is we're going to try plugging some subwoofers into the wall and seeing which one lasts longer. This one is a visonik. I don't think it's going to last very long. It's already had some better days. But the dust cap, and then we're going to do a diamond sub. So let's see what this thing does. After fix this. Woo! Alright, the diamond's one wired up. Let's see. Oh, that was fucking really good. Holy shit. Well, it looks like the fucking diamond sub way kicked the Visonic's ass. We still have smoke pissing out the port. Alright. So I hope you guys liked the video. Like, subscribe, tell me what you think. Put in the video response if you've done this with a couple of your subs. Let's see some lengths of survival. Alright. Peace.